Hey everybody, this is Coulter with Fab CNC, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hook up the new power module to your Fab CNC control box. First thing we're going to do is make sure that we got our USB cable, our power block, and the two red wires that are connected to it. Next, we're going to come over to the control box, and the first thing we're going to do is take this end right here of your USB cable and hook it up to this slot right here on your control box. So let's go ahead and slide it in. Make sure it's in there nice and firm. Feels good. Next, we're gonna hook these two red wires up to these two terminals right here. Doesn't matter which one goes to which, you just have to make sure they're wired into these two terminals. So let's go ahead and loosen these up. And shove it on in there. After you get it tightened down, I recommend giving both wires a little tug. Make sure you didn't get anything loose, possibly shorten anything out. Once it feels good, go ahead and move over to the terminal right next to it. Loosen it up and slide the wire in there. Now this power module is compatible with all versions of our Fab CNC control box, so you don't have to worry about that. It'll be the same process for each one. After you do that, again, give them a good tug, make sure nothing's loose so you don't short anything out, and you're good to go.